यही प्रॉब्लम है। Good morning, children. Already we are doing rational numbers. Already we have solved so many questions related with rational numbers. हम लोग वर्कशीट 2 तक सारा क्वेश्चंस कर लिए हैं। वर्कशीट 3 का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है। वर्कशीट 3 में है सबसे पहले राइट द फॉलोइंग रेशनल नंबर्स इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। वन वर्कशीट 3 का वन फर्स्ट यू हैव टू इवैल्यूएट the standard form of the following given rational number 33 by 77. 11 3 is 33, 11 7 is 77. This is equal to 3 by 7. This is your standard form of such given rational number 33 by 77. A standard form of rational number is well defined as follows. If P by Q is a rational number and Q is always positive, then P by Q have only the common factor 1, not to be other than 1, is known as a standard form of the rational number. The rational number having the form P by Q, having the same common factor 1 of P and Q is known as simplest form of the rational number. इस क्वेश्चन में देखते हैं 33 by 77, 11 से कैंसिल कर दिया, 11 3 या 33, 11 7 या 77, 3 by 7। अब 3 by 7 जो रेशनल नंबर मिला, इसमें 1 को छोड़कर कोई भी कॉमन क्वांटिटी 3 और 7 के बीच में नहीं है। सो द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ 33 by 77 is equal to 3 by 7. It is your answer. How many doubt in it? Next one is, if your rational number is in the form of P by Q and Q tends to positive plus V, Q must be positive in any case. Otherwise, there is no any question of rational number, a standard form of the rational number. Rational number का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म नहीं हो सकता अगर Q निगेटिव होगा तो, इसलिए Q must be positive. Next one it is 64 by minus 20. 64 by minus 20. This can be written as minus 64 by 20. 4 से कैंसिल करते हैं, 4 5 या 20, 16 4 या 64. This must be equal to 16 by 5 minus. This is your standard form of the given rational number. 16 by 5 में कोई भी क्वांटिटी either 16 or 5, there is no any common factor other than 1. 1 को छोड़कर कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है। अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफिनीशन ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द रेशनल नंबर, minus 16 by 5 is the simplest form of 64 by minus 20, because in each and every case denominator must be positive. Q must be positive. Q कभी निगेटिव नहीं हो सकता स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए? हाउ मेनी डाउट इन इट? कहीं कुछ डाउट से है? नहीं है ना? अब कर दें क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 यहाँ देखेंगे। 2 फर्स्ट, find x such that the rational number in each of the following pairs become equivalent. 9 by minus 5, we have the same question, 9 by minus 5 and x by 10 are two equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number, hence we have 9 by minus 5 is equal to x by 10, or after doing cross multiplication minus 5x is equal to 9 into 10, 5 to get 10, therefore x is equal to minus 18. It is your answer. If two equivalent numbers are given as 9 and minus 5, 9 by minus 5 and x by 10, and if both are equivalent or both are said to be equivalent, then we have to evaluate the value of x. If both are equivalent, then clearly we can say that 9 by minus 5 is equal to x by 10. After doing cross multiplication, this minus 5x is equal to 9 into 10 and x will be equal to 18 after solving the equation. Next one is this. Question number 2, 4. Have any doubt in it? इसमें कहीं कुछ डाउट है फिर से बताएंगे. Then 2, 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का 4 इसको देखेंगे हम लोग. इसको रब कर दें. ओके. Two, 4 has the same question. X by 6 and minus 13. We have x by 6 and minus 13. Both are your rational numbers. Minus 13 can be written as minus 13 can be written as minus 13 by 1. हर हाल में डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव. हमेशा ही डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव होगा. अगर डिनोमिनेटर निगेटिव हो जाता है तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं हो सकता. और x by 6 is equal to minus 13 by 1 because both rational numbers are equivalent, or x into 1 is equal to 6 into minus 13. That is, this is called, that is x is equal to minus 28. That is your answer. X become equal to minus 28 after doing cross multiplication of both sides. Have any doubt in it? कहीं कुछ डाउट है फिर से बताएंगे. समझ में आया है ना? Next one is question number 3. Check whether the following rational numbers are in standard form. If not, write them in standard form. 3. रब कर दें. Okay. We have three. First answer, we have this minus 3 by 19. Minus 3 by 19. देखिए already it is in the form of standard form. It is in the standard form. Standard form of the rational number. Because according to definition of a standard form of rational number, P by Q is a rational number in which Q is positive and there is no any common factor other than 1. It means देखिए 3 और 19 दोनों के बीच में सिर्फ कॉमन फैक्टर 1 है. 1 के बाद दूसरा कोई भी नंबर ऐसा नहीं है जो दोनों में कॉमन है. यानी 3 by 19 नेगेटिव माइनस 3 by 19 इज ए रेशनल नंबर. यहाँ Q इज इक्वल टू 19 इज पॉजिटिव. P by Q is your integer. Here P is minus 3 and Q is equal to 19. Integer may be either positive or negative. According to definition of integer, we know that positive of natural numbers, negative of natural numbers, including 0 is called integer. So minus 3 is your integer. On the number line, we can just represent minus 3 from left side of 0. positive number can be represented on the number line from right of the zero. अभी just बताएंगे कि what is representation of a rational number on the number line, how we become able to represent it in proper channel, that is in terms of negative aspects as well as for positive aspects also. Okay, next one is 4y minus 7, 3 second 4y minus 7. This is not in a standard form because here q become negative, जबकि according to definition of a standard form of rational number q must be positive. q हमेशा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ q नेगेटिव दिया हुआ है इसलिए स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. नो, यहाँ आंसर लिखेगा नो, इट इज नॉट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म its standard form is 4 by minus 4 by 7, not to be 4 by minus 7, no. Minus 4 by 7 is the right answer. This is the required standard form of the given rational number. Okay, have any doubt in it? Note कीजिए. इसके बाद वाला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं. इसके बाद देखेंगे एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर एंड रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर ऑन द नंबर लाइन. हाउ वी बिकम एबल टू रिप्रेजेंट इट, इसको हम लोग देखेंगे. आफ्टर दैट बी फास्ट, जल्दी नोट कीजिए. रब कर दे इसको. Next one is fill in the blanks. 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by 4 first. We have to evaluate the following. Fill in the blanks. 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by fill in the blanks. इसमें भरना है कि what should be the right number. is equal to फिर fill in the blanks भरना है और divided by minus 63. Suppose that this is x. अगर x है then according to question a by q we have 2 into x is equal to 7 into 8. After cross multiplication 2 4 8, that is x is equal to 28. यहाँ हम लोग कर देंगे 28. एक सोल्यूशन हम लोग का निकल गया. फॉर अनदर सोल्यूशन also 8 by 28 is equal to, suppose that this is y by minus 63, or after doing cross multiplication 28y is equal to minus 63 into 8. Therefore y is equal to minus 63 into 8 by 28. 7 for the 28, 7 9 is 63, 4 to the 8. This must be equal to minus 18. Y is equal to minus 18 is the right answer. Y is equal to minus 18 is the right answer. Have any doubt in it? कई कुछ डाउट्स है, फिर से बताएंगे. Y is equal to minus 18 is the right answer and x is equal to 28. इस तरह से जहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की बात होगी वहाँ एक्स और वाई एज्यूम करके हम लोग आफ्टर डूइंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी बिकम एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली। इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए, क्वेश्चन है आपका 2/7 = 8 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। मान लेते हैं कि जहाँ भरना है ये एक्स है, तो हो गया पहला फ्रैक्शन हो गया 2/7 = 8/x। दूसरा फ्रैक्शन हो गया इफ बोथ आर इक्विवेलेंट इक्वल टू दिया हुआ है, सो वी कैन जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट। 2 × x = 7 × 8, 2 × x = 7 × 8, 2 4 8, 7 4 28, सो x = 28। अब इस दो क्वांटिटी के लिए हम लोग, दो रेशनल नंबर के लिए हम लोग देखेंगे 8/28 = y/-63। After doing cross multiplication, you have the same result. This 28y is equal to 8 into -63. Therefore, y is equal to -63 into 8, 4 divided by 28. This will be equal to a -18. That is your answer. Have any doubt in it? कई कुछ डाउट्स है, फिर से बताएंगे। नेक्स्ट वन इट इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। नेक्स्ट वन इट इज, इसको सारे में से नोट करेंगे। नेक्स्ट वन इज सेकेंड रब कर दें। For second, we have the same result like this. Fill in the blanks. 36 by fill in the blanks is equal to -4/9. -4/9 is equal to -34 by fill in the blanks. -34 by fill in the blank. अब जिसको fill in the blanks करना है, अगर इसको आप लोग x एज्यूम कर लें, then according to question we have the same result. This -4 into x equal to 36 into 9 after doing cross multiplication. 4 9 are 36. Therefore x is equal to -81. यहाँ हो जाएगा -81. First answer is -81. After that, you have to evaluate the following. -4/9 is equal to 84 by y. Also, -4/9 is equal to -84 by y. Minus minus is being cancelled. और 4y is equal to 9 into 84. Therefore y is equal to 9 into 84 whole divided by 4. यहाँ हो जाएगा 21. That is y is equal to 9 into 21. 9 to 18. 189 is the right answer. Y become equal to 189. That is your answer. Minus minus is being cancelled. 4 into y is equal to 84 into 9. Hence y is equal to 9 into 84 by 4. 21 4 is 84. 21 9 is 9. 189. Yes, yes, that is your answer. That is -81 and 189 are the right answer. राइट आंसर। ओके, सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे। हाउ विल इट आउट इन इट? कहीं कुछ डाउट से फिर से बताएंगे? नहीं है ना? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे। Next one is absolute value of a rational number. When you studied in previous class that absolute value of an integer is its numerical value without taking the sign into account. That is, negative of -3 is equal to +3. The absolute value of a rational number is written in the following ways. Absolute value of a rational number, I'm just going to start to teach you. After that, if you have any doubt in any question of worksheet 3, you must share to me about your doubts. I will solve your problem, of course. किसी क्वेश्चन में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? अगर है तो शेयर कीजिए, फिर से बताएंगे। Next one is ये सॉल्व करते हैं। Absolute value of a rational number. Absolute value of a rational number इसको हम लोग मॉडुलस भी कहते हैं। मॉडुलस ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर, शॉर्ट फॉर्म इसको मॉड भी कहते हैं, एमओडी मॉड। आज भी नो दैट mod of -3 is equal to +3, mod of +3 is also equal to +3, and mod of 0 is also equal to 0. After breaking the mod, your sign will always be positive, means greater than equal to 0. Modulus has the same meaning. After breaking the mod, mods को हटाने के बाद हमेशा आपका नंबर पॉजिटिव होगा। It means the number must be greater than equal to 0, not to be less than 0 after breaking the mod. So absolute value of absolute value of -4/3 is mod -4/3. This must be equal to positive 4/3. After breaking the mod, your sign will always be positive. This is called absolute value of the rational number. Next one is absolute first. Second one is, this is first. The absolute value of 4y minus 5 will be mod of 4y minus 5. This must be equal to 4 by 5 is the right answer. It means after breaking the mod, your sign will always be positive, not to be negative. This is called absolute value of the modulus. Yeah, absolute value of the given rational number. This is called modulus. इस सिंबल को कहते हैं मॉडुलस. मॉडुलस. After breaking modulus, sign will always be positive. Always be positive. That is plus v. That is plus v. Sign हमेशा positive होता है. This is your modulus of the rational numbers. Also you have to do the questions related with modulus value of the rational number. After breaking the mod, your number must be in terms of positive form. So mod of minus 3 is equal to plus 3, as well as mod of plus 3 is also equal to plus 3, mod of 0 is equal to 0, and so on. Mod of minus 4 by 3 will always equal to plus 4 by 3. Similarly, mod of 4 by minus 5 will be equal to plus 4 by 5, and so on. This is called absolute value of a rational number or modulus value of a rational number. Both are same. Have any doubt in it? कई कुछ डाउट्स है, नोट कीजिए. After that, worksheet 4 is related with absolute value of the rational numbers. There are so many questions related with absolute value of a rational numbers in worksheet 4. How we become able to solve the question इसको हम लोग देखेंगे. First one is 1 by minus 5. Modulus of 1 by minus 5 will be equal to plus 1 by 5. Similarly, modulus of 7 by 9 positive will always be equal to 7 by 9. पॉजिटिव का मॉडुलस वैल्यू हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है, बट नेगेटिव नंबर अगर दिया हुआ है मॉडुलस के अंदर, देन आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग द मॉड इट विल ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. नेगेटिव नंबर भी पॉजिटिव हो जाता है आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग द मॉड. मॉड को ब्रेक करने के बाद, यानी मॉड को हटाने के बाद, नेगेटिव विल बी चेंज एज पॉजिटिव in this case. So question number 1 can be easily solved. Next one is compute the absolute values of rational numbers in the following pairs: 3 by minus 7 and minus 3 by 7. In both cases, 3 by minus 7, modulus of 3 by minus 7 will be equal to plus 3 by 7, as well as modulus of minus 3 by 7 will also be equal to 3 by 7, because in case of modulus of the function, negative must be changed as positive after breaking the mod. Okay, have any doubt in it? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. Next one is question number 3. Find all the rational numbers whose absolute value is 2 by 5. This is equal to minus 2 by 5, and second one is 2 by minus 5. 2 by minus 5 is also a rational number, but it is not in a standard form, because in a standard form q must be positive. 2 in 2 by minus 5, your q become negative. Here q is equal to 5 and p is equal to 2. And if minus 5 is given, then 2 become negative. And if your q become negative, then your rational number can't be said as a standard form of the rational number. This one becomes simply your rational number, not to be in terms of a standard form, because in a standard form your q must be positive. A standard form के केस में हर हाल में q का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगा, निगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, नोट इट. हैव एनी डाउट इन इट? कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है फिर से बताएंगे। सारे बच्चे लिखेंगे होमवर्क में वर्कशीट 3 एंड वर्कशीट 4। वर्कशीट 3 एंड वर्कशीट 4। ओके, मीटिंग कंक्लूड करें। ओके।